To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A, an, the. In this video, we will learn about articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles. The is known as a definite article. Articles come before a noun and are used to modify the noun. They give basic information about the noun being referred to. We can identify whether the noun being referred to is a singular or a plural noun, or if the noun is a specific noun or a general noun. The indefinite articles are a and an. These articles are used to refer to general singular nouns. The difference is that the indefinite article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant. For example, a book. The letter B is a consonant. Other examples include a car, a bike, a dog, a house, etc. The indefinite article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an elephant. The letter E is a vowel. Other examples include an alligator, an insect, an octopus, an umbrella, etc. The definite article is the. This article is used with specific singular and plural nouns. We usually use the definite article when we already know the noun being referred to. It can also be used when talking about something that there is only one of. For example, the earth. Other examples include the sky, the box, the United Kingdom, the information, etc.